Hi there, today we're going to be introducing you to the CLENCO C45 scrubber dryer, one of our most popular products at CLENCO, good for workshops and food areas. As you can see, the clean water tank has a filter leading into the 45 litre clean water tank. We use CLENCO Power Scrub 1 litre per 45 litres in order to get the best degreasing effect on a particular workshop floor. As you can see, the machine's also equipped with a metering valve and a filter before the water gets to the brush. Clean water level is indicated by the tube on the side. The foot pedal raises and lowers the scrubbing brush, and the hand lever lowers the squeegee bar. The squeegee bar has rollers to keep it in the right degree off the ground, and the squeegee blades are made of thick rubber. To start the scrubber dryer, turn on the key. The menu will show you the battery, the degree of battery fullness and the number of hours it's been used. To start the machine, turn on the scrubbing brush and turn on the vacuum motor. Put the scrubbing brush head down and push it forward. The machine will put the chemical and the water down onto the ground, scrubbing ahead of itself and then vacuuming up as it's going. The machine's very manoeuvrable, easy to turn around in a small space. When you've finished scrubbing in the area you require, simply put the scrubbing blade up again and then vacuum up the remaining water. The construction of the machine is very robust and the dirty water tank is easily cleaned out. The vacuum motor is protected by a float. The dirty water tank is easily emptied using the drain hose at the back of the machine. It's easy to change from a brush to a pad. This is the pad system. It's easily clipped on with a butterfly clip. Remove the brush by spinning it in the opposite direction. Put the pad in place. Line up the pegs. Using the foot pedal, drop the brush down into place. Start the brush and it'll pick the new pad up. Thanks for watching this demonstration of the C45. CLENCO, we provide complete after-sales support, including holding an extensive range of parts. Our workshop technicians are also available to service and maintain all the machines we sell, either on-site or at our fully equipped workshop. Further details are available on our website, clenco.co.nz, or send an email inquiry to sales@clenco.co.nz. Alternatively, you can visit our showroom at 24 Harris Road, East Tamaki.